Welcome. In today's fast-paced business world, HR teams are constantly looking for ways to streamline their processes and boost efficiency. No-code platforms have emerged as a powerful solution, allowing HR professionals to build and customize tools without needing programming skills. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right no-code platform for your HR team? In this video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive, step-by-step checklist to help you make an informed decision. Let's start by understanding what no-code platforms are and why they matter for HR. A no-code platform is a software tool that enables users to create applications and automate workflows without writing any code. For HR teams, this means you can design custom solutions for recruitment, onboarding, performance management, and more, all through an intuitive interface. These platforms typically use drag-and-drop features, pre-built templates, and visual editors, making them accessible to non-technical users. Understanding this foundation is crucial before diving into the selection process. HR departments handle a wide range of tasks, from managing employee data to coordinating training and benefits. No-code platforms empower HR teams to quickly adapt to changing needs, automate repetitive tasks, and reduce reliance on IT departments. This flexibility leads to faster problem-solving, improved employee experiences, and more time for strategic initiatives. Now, let's move on to the first step in choosing the right platform. The first step is to clearly identify your HR team's specific needs. Start by listing the processes you want to improve or automate, such as recruitment tracking, onboarding, leave management, or performance reviews. Involve key stakeholders to gather input and prioritize requirements. This clarity will guide your platform search and ensure you focus on solutions that truly address your pain points. Next, define the key features your HR team needs in a no-code platform. Consider essentials like workflow automation, customizable forms, data integration, reporting, and user permissions. Think about scalability and whether the platform can grow with your organization. Having a clear feature checklist will make it easier to compare different platforms later on. Budget is a critical factor in any software selection process. Determine how much your HR team can invest in a no-code platform, considering both upfront and ongoing costs. Look for transparent pricing models and be aware of any hidden fees, such as charges for additional users or integrations. Setting a clear budget helps narrow down your options and prevent surprises down the line. With your needs, features, and budget in mind, start researching available no-code platforms. Explore popular options like Airtable, Zapier, or Monday.com, and read reviews from other HR professionals. Pay attention to platforms that specialize in HR solutions, as they may offer tailored features. Create a short list of platforms that align with your checklist. Usability is key for HR teams who may not have technical backgrounds. Test the shortlisted platforms for ease of use, look for intuitive interfaces, clear navigation, and helpful onboarding resources. Consider whether the platform offers training or customer support to help your team get started quickly and confidently. HR teams often rely on multiple tools, such as payroll systems, email, and calendars. Ensure the no-code platform integrates smoothly with your existing software stack. Check for pre-built integrations or APIs that allow for seamless data flow. This step is crucial for avoiding data silos and ensuring efficient workflows. HR data is sensitive, so security should be a top priority. Evaluate each platform's security features, such as data encryption, user access controls, and compliance with regulations like GDPR. Ask about data backup and recovery options. Ensuring robust security protects both your employees and your organization. Customization is one of the main advantages of no-code platforms. Test how easily you can tailor workflows, forms, and reports to your HR team's unique needs. Look for platforms that allow you to create custom fields, automate notifications, and adjust processes as your organization evolves. Effective HR management relies on data-driven decisions. Check if the no-code platform offers robust analytics and reporting features. Can you easily generate reports on recruitment, employee engagement, or turnover? The ability to visualize and analyze data will help your HR team measure success and identify areas for improvement. As your organization grows, your HR needs will evolve. Choose a no-code platform that can scale with you. Look for flexible pricing, the ability to add more users, and support for increasing data volumes. A scalable platform ensures your investment remains valuable in the long term. Reliable customer support is essential, especially when adopting new technology. Check if the platform offers multiple support channels, such as live chat, email, or phone. Review the quality of their help, documentation, and community forums. Good support ensures your HR team can resolve issues quickly and stay productive. Before making a final decision, request demos or free trials from your shortlisted platforms. Hands-on experience is the best way to assess whether the platform meets your HR team's needs. Encourage team members to participate in the demo and provide feedback on usability and features. Once you've tested the platforms, compare their pricing structures in detail. Consider the value each platform provides relative to its cost. Factor in any additional expenses for integrations, premium features, or support. This comparison will help you find the best fit for your budget and needs. Reach out to other HR teams or organizations that have used the platforms you're considering. Ask about their experiences, challenges, and successes. Real-world feedback can reveal insights that aren't always obvious from marketing materials or demos. A platform's reputation can be a strong indicator of its reliability and quality. Research the vendor's history, customer base, and industry recognition. Look for awards, certifications, or case studies that demonstrate success in HR use cases. Modern HR teams are often on the move. Ensure the no-code platform offers robust mobile access, either through responsive web design or dedicated mobile apps. Mobile functionality allows HR professionals to manage tasks and access data anytime, anywhere. HR data often requires strict access controls. Review how each platform manages user permissions and roles. Ensure you can set granular access levels for different team members, protecting sensitive information while enabling collaboration. Automation can save HR teams countless hours. Test the platform's workflow automation capabilities by creating sample processes, such as automated onboarding or leave approvals. Evaluate how easy it is to set up triggers, actions, and notifications. Migrating existing HR data into a new platform can be challenging. Check how each platform handles data, import, and export. Look for tools that support bulk uploads, CSV files, and easy data migration. This will ensure a smooth transition and ongoing flexibility. HR teams must comply with various regulations, such as GDPR or local labor laws. Ensure the platform provides compliance features, like audit trails, consent management, and data retention policies. This helps your organization stay compliant and avoid legal risks. Timely notifications keep HR processes running smoothly. Evaluate how each platform handles notifications, such as email alerts, in-app messages, or SMS. Customizable notification settings help ensure the right people are informed at the right time. HR work often involves collaboration across departments. Check if the platform offers built-in collaboration tools, such as shared workspaces, comments, or task assignments. These features foster teamwork and ensure everyone stays aligned. A rich template library can help your HR team get started quickly. Review the platform's available templates for common HR processes, such as onboarding checklists or performance review forms. Templates save time and ensure best practices are followed. Reporting is essential for tracking HR performance. Test the platform's reporting tools by generating sample reports. Look for customizable dashboards, export options, and the ability to schedule regular reports. These features help HR teams stay informed and proactive. APIs allow you to extend the platform's functionality and connect with other tools. Check if the platform offers open APIs and review their documentation. Good API support enables your HR team to build custom integrations as needed. Adopting a new platform requires change management. Review the platform's resources for onboarding, training, and user adoption. Platforms that offer guided onboarding, video tutorials, and knowledge bases can help your HR team transition smoothly. A strong user community can be a valuable resource for troubleshooting and sharing best practices. Check if the platform has active forums, user groups, or online communities. Engaged communities often provide quick answers and creative solutions. Platform performance impacts productivity. Test the speed and reliability of each platform, especially when handling large HR datasets. Look for uptime guarantees and performance benchmarks to ensure smooth daily operations. Branding can enhance employee trust and engagement. Check if the platform allows you to customize branding elements, such as logos, colors, and email templates. Consistent branding reinforces your organization's identity across HR processes. Audit logs track changes and user activity, which is important for compliance and accountability. Review how each platform manages audit logs, including the level of detail and retention period. This feature helps HR teams monitor activity and investigate issues if needed. If your organization operates globally, multi-language support is essential. Check if the platform supports multiple languages and allows for easy localization. This ensures all employees can access HR tools in their preferred language. Data loss can be catastrophic for HR. Review the platform's backup and recovery features. Ensure regular backups are performed and that data can be restored quickly in case of accidental deletion or system failure. Accessibility ensures all employees, including those with disabilities, can use HR tools. Check if the platform follows accessibility standards such as WCAG and offers features like screen reader support or keyboard navigation. Customizable notifications help HR teams tailor alerts to their workflows. Test how easily you can customize notification triggers, recipients, and content. This flexibility ensures important updates reach the right people without causing notification overload. As your needs change, you may need to upgrade your platform plan or features. Review how the platform handles upgrades, including pricing, data migration, and downtime. A smooth upgrade process ensures your HR team can adapt quickly. A vendor's product roadmap shows their commitment to innovation and improvement. Ask about upcoming features, updates, and long-term plans. Choosing a vendor with a clear, customer-focused roadmap ensures your HR platform will continue to evolve. Free resources, such as webinars, guides, and templates, can help your HR team maximize the platform's value. Review what educational materials and support resources are available to users at no extra cost. Vendor stability is important for long-term success. Research the company's financial health, years in business, and customer retention rates. A stable vendor is more likely to provide consistent service and support. It's wise to plan for the future. Evaluate how easy it is to export your data and leave the platform if needed. Look for clear data export options and transparent exit policies to avoid vendor lock-in. After completing your checklist, gather all feedback and review your findings. Compare platforms side by side, considering features, costs, support, and long-term fit. Involve key stakeholders in the final decision to ensure buy-in and a smooth rollout. With your platform selected, create a detailed implementation plan. Assign roles, set timelines, and communicate the rollout to your HR team. Effective planning ensures a smooth transition and maximizes the benefits of your new no-code platform. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive, step-by-step checklist for choosing the right no-code platform for your HR team. By following these steps, you'll ensure your selection process is thorough, strategic, and aligned with your organization's goals. Remember, the right platform can transform your HR operations, drive efficiency, and empower your team to focus on what matters most, your people. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your no-code journey.